Hi, this is my apartment. If you're new here, I'm Anjulu. I've been living alone in Manila for almost 3 years now. Actually, not almost. 3 years now. This is my first apartment and I've been here for 3 years now and I've never actually done an official apartment tour, so that's what I'm going to do today. So first things first, this is situated in Mandaluyong City. This is a 20 square meter apartment and I'm renting this for 9,000 pesos. My unit is in the fourth floor and we have no elevator, so I think that's pretty much why it's affordable. I will tour you guys around. This will be quick because it's a very small place. So of course, let's start with my door. My door is one of my favorite things here in my apartment. When I moved in, naglagay ako ng ganitong sabitan. Kung nilalagay ko dito yung mga tote bags ko, mga usually dinadala ko pag grocery day, pag laundry day, palengke day. And then here is my kitchen. It's a very small kitchen. I truly wish it was bigger because nahihirapan ako magluto. Kunwari yung mga putahe na madaming sangkap, mahirap siyang ilatag lahat dito because maliit lang yung counter. And then we have the sink. And then this is my dish rack. And then these are my mugs. Super dami kong mugs. My plates, glasses. Then here we have my cupboard. Dito yung mga delata ko, mga pang merienda, mga snacks. And then here we have my shoe rack. I just got this from Shopee. And then this door naman leads us to my restroom. It's a very straightforward restroom and it's also very small. Saktong-sakto lang siya for someone living alone. What I don't like about this bathroom is walang separation yung shower area and yung toilet area. So, kunwari naligo ako. Tapos, at the end of the day, basa pa din siya, yung floor. It's a small annoying thing na I wish it was different. Pero, livable naman. Okay lang. I'm sorry for the bad lighting, but here, just beside the CR, we have my trash can. And then we also have my trolley. Para lang siyang nilalagyan ko ng random stuff. For example, my meals, spray. Andito din yung coins ko in this cute docky thing na nabili ko sa Cubao Expo. And also, pag may nare-receive akong Shopee or mga PR packages, dito ko siya sila sa last row nilalagay until bubuksan ko na sila. And then here we have my ref. This is one of the first things I bought when I moved in. Pinrioritize ko talaga to. Just above my ref are my air fryer and also my Nespresso machine. Dito yung parang coffee corner ko. Meron din ako dito nung yung parang mga yan, toyo, ganyan. We're here in my wardrobe area. So, this is my wardrobe area. This is my closet. Para double purpose siya. Ginawa ko na rin siyang parang vanity. So, we have a mirror here. Perfume, skincare, makeup, yung mga ganun. Everything that I need when I'm getting ready. Then, here we have, dito ko hinahang yung mga bags ko, cap, some outerwear. Because since maliit nga lang yung closet ko na to, yung mga blazers and outerwear, dito ko na lang nilalagay. And then here, just adjacent to the wardrobe area is my work area. So this is where the magic happens. And by magic, I mean hours and hours and hours of me sitting in front of my laptop. I really invested in my work area because I work from home. So basically, ito yung office ko. So I bought a very expensive ergonomic chair. I think this was 7,000 pesos. It's a lot more comfortable to work and it lessened my back pain. We have my MacBook Air, my second monitor, and my journal, my planner, my AirPods, basically everything tech related nandito. And then just beside this work desk is my shelf. So andito lahat ng books ko, andito din lahat ng organizers ko. So, yung mga documents ko in life and all. Andito lahat yan. Andito din yung cameras ko. My film cams, Instax, my Sony mirrorless. My projector is also here. Finally, we're here in my bed. My favorite part of this room. I worked with Emma Sleep last year and they gave me Emma Diamond Hybrid mattress, and oh my god, nag-upgrade talaga yung sleep ko, as in it really is life-changing. I only have a single bed here in my apartment because since it's a small apartment, ayoko na mag-double size or twin size or whatever because mas oonti yung space ko for other things, diba? So beside my bed, this is a small side table from IKEA. We also have a lamp here. Also, kaya andito yung shelf. Gusto ko talaga na para siyang separation of my bed and my work area. Para merong illusion na hindi sila nasa same space. And here is my favorite part of my apartment, and ultimately why I chose this apartment is this huge ass windows. I really love this. Tingnan niyo naman gaano kalaki. Like, the whole wall, window lang siya. I really love this window. Lagi lang ako nakatambay dito. Lagi akong nagmamasid ng mga kapitbahay ko and nakatingin sa highway kung anong nangyayari. Ganyan.
Hi guys, Editing Angelo here. I know some of you will tell me na, girl, cover your windows, people will figure out where you live, blah blah blah. But the reason why I'm not bothering to cover the windows kasi I don't live there anymore, obviously. And if you don't follow me on other social media platforms, I haven't lived there for a year. So this video is actually an old video, but I will also use this chance to finally reveal where this apartment is because for 3 years that I lived there, people have been asking me where that apartment is. And obviously, hindi ko siya masasabi if nakatira pa ako doon. So, I never revealed where this apartment is, but now I can reveal it. This apartment is at Studio A Residences, 65 Mariveles Street, Highway Hills, Mandaluyong City. Ilalagay ko din dito yung Google Maps niya. You can contact the information there if you're interested in an apartment. And honestly, I highly recommend this place for people living alone for the first time kasi malapit siya sa palengke, malapit siya sa hospital, and it's 15-minute walk from Mega Mall and 10-minute walk from EDSA Siang. Directly siya sa baba ng MRT Shaw. In case na tinawagan niyo tong Studio A and wala na siyang vacant, I still highly recommend going to the area na kung saan to kasi madaming apartments dyan na magkakalapit. Yeah, back to the video.
And finally, my favorite place in my apartment is this chair. This section, actually, like, dito ako nagbabasa, dito ako nag-journal. It's really my favorite place here in my apartment because after ko mag-works, nagbabasa lang ako for hours, nag-journal. Beside this is my turntable, my records, my speaker, my books. This is also parang altar ko because I have my crystals here, my incense holder. And this is, of course, my vinyl records. As of today, I have 28 vinyl records. Can you imagine? And then here in this area is my full body mirror from Style Maria. So, dito ako nag-OOTD and all. And then, this tool is it's also thrifted. Ginagamit ko siyang patungan ng plants. But pag may visitor, pwede rin tong extra chair. This is my electric guitar. And then here naman is my dining, my super small dining area. It's only a 2-seater. I also have my snack bar in here. And also, alam niyo ba, itong table na to and yung chairs, Japan surplus lang siya. I will never be letting go of these chairs and this table. So that's basically it. I love this apartment so much and it will always hold a special place in my heart. This is my first adult apartment. I learned so much here. I nurtured so many friendships here. I just feel so emotional leaving this place. This is my first personal space ever. I grew up really with no room of my own. I always shared a space with my sister, which was fun, but iba pa din yung meron kang personal space. So, this was my first personal space and I will always treasure that.